Hey, seventh graders, this is your lesson video for Wednesday, May 13th. What you're going to be doing today is actually a Desmos activity. So this is technically for 8.2.1, where we're talking about sample and population. And this is a great activity to introduce that to you and to help you understand those two things. So basically, a population is what it sounds like. It's a group of things, and a sample is a little piece of that population. So what you're going to be looking at today is different samples, and you're going to determine if it's a good sample or a bad sample for the population. And the way that we're going to do that is with this activity called Mystery Flag, where you're going to be given a little piece of the flag and then try to identify the correct flag that little piece is representing. So the very first slide that you see here is saying which flag, and it says on the next screen we're going to place you in the middle of one of these flags like you're an ant. And you'll press a button and jump to a different location on the flag. The image on the screen will show you your view of the flag from that location. Can you figure out what flag you're on, and how many tries will it take you? So what this means is when we zoom in, it's like you're going to be in this tiny little section of the flag and then trying to figure out which population or which flag this is actually representing. So as you go through, you're going to click Get New Look, and this is what it is showing. So a clear view of a teal stripe with white stripes on the top and bottom of it. So you want to look at the flags that they have here and see if any of these have a portion that is the same as this one. So the one that I'm seeing, actually there's two that I see where this is in no way, well, actually right now they're all, I was thinking like these two are kind of eliminated, but if you look at the top, we could also have that section, but I'm going to guess that these two are not the flag because this looks like it's going to be one of these two. So let's see if we can get another view. Okay, so then you have another corner where it's got a dot in the middle. So that could be this one, this one, this one, or this one, really. Same thing here. So we have, there's like, let me move my camera out of the way. Okay, so there's a circle here. So that can't be this one or this one. So I'm going to maybe guess this flag and submit. Okay, and we got it correct. So next, how would the last screen have been different for you if we had given you smaller looks of the flag? So if they zoomed in even further, how would that change your answer? And then you're going to go on to mystery flag number 2, click Get New Look, and then try to figure out which flag it's talking about. Same thing here, which field. So you will, or on the next screen, we're going to place you in the middle of these fields of orange and blue points, like you're an ant. And then you're going to try to figure out which field you're in. So same kind of idea. Looking at this combination of orange and blue dots, can this be any of these 4? Okay, so you're going to click which one you think it could be. And then play again. And then you're going to talk about when the challenges were easier or harder. So what made it easy for you to guess and what made it more difficult for you to guess. So this is, again, going over sample versus population. Excuse me. What you think sample and population mean. And again, like what it means to have a small sample size or a large sample size, a large number of samples or a small number of samples. So obviously you get the best results with a large with a large number of large sample sizes. And then from there, answering a couple questions. So this is your lesson and your homework. So I'm going to be checking on Desmos for the results. If I see that you missed a lot of the slides or got them incorrect, you're not going to get any points for the Desmos activity. If you did okay, maybe missed like a few slides, you'll get 1 point. And then if you did spectacular and like only missed one or didn't miss any, then you will get 2 points. So that's how you're going to see it show up in Aries. If you have any questions about this, please email me. Hopefully this walkthrough kind of helped. It is a pretty simple concept, just population versus sample, and I thought that this would be a fun activity for you to do to kind of learn about those two things. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you later. Bye.